Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to install app without Apple ID password on iPhone from App Store after iOS 17 update. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have opened the App Store. So you have searched any app on your iPhone download. So how to get? So you have click on searching option. You have any app you have searched. I have searched the WWC 3. So you have seen my iPhone WWC 3. So you have get your iPhone. So you have click on here. So then you have get, and then iPhone given password Apple ID. So you have download without Apple ID password. So you have how to get without Apple ID password. So you have some seconds wait. iPhone given a touch ID on my iPhone. So you have how to fix iPhone not giving a password. Well, this time you have download of any app on your iPhone. So then I have searched another app. He's then you have seen the cricket world champion 3. Then he is in touch ID for install not given a password. So you have how to fix this issue. So you have open the setting, and then you have click on Apple ID. So then you have click on media purchase password settings. So you have free downloads require password. I have already turned off. Then you have must be turned off from here. Then you have go back from here. Then you have click on general. So then you have click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available. You have must be installed on your iPhone. Then you have click on screen time. Then you have click on content and privacy. So then you have click on iTunes app store. So then require password do not require. I have select. So then you have must be select on your iPhone. Always require. Then you have any time you have install app, then he is given a password. Then you have do not require. So you have not given a password. You have set the touch ID or then given and automatic download on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.